Look at my Hope. Antonia, I'm in the crate with her, and she's asleep on my lap. She's got her paw right here on me. Look how sweet. There's a dog in here that is really singing. Non-stop. It was cute at first.
No, it's a little annoying.
Now we're like, it's super cute.
And I feel like past like
Antonia, all these other dogs in here are just like, please stop. We're trying to sleep. The Toni is so sweet. She has a collar around her head here. They have, because she has her feeding tube in. And they want to make sure she doesn't rub it. But she's so sweet. My baby. Just laying her head curled up here, laying her head on mommy. Georgie, Isabella, Blue. And George is out there. George was in here a while ago and she was laying on his lap. Daddy was cuddling with you, Toni. Love you. Getting some good sleep. So maybe asleep. Her eyes are closed, but... Are your eyes open? Her eyes open or closed? Closed. She's really relaxed, isn't she, as a Georgie? So relaxed. And we're gonna go here soon. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow to get her and bring her home. I cannot wait to have her home, right? Won't that be amazing?
Arabella and Lily
are gonna be so happy to see you.
They pull her head back and pulls her eyes back a little
does
bit,
it?
so she like squints.
Sorry. Oh, Mommy's just rubbing
So
her head.
cute. Look at her paws right here. Also
I know, is that so sweet?
as she usually does.
There, paw on me. Oh, you always want to hold Mommy's hand, especially when I'm eating.
Oh,
And
yeah.
she paws at me and puts her paw on my chair. Oh my gosh. Puts her paw on my leg, on my foot, on my chair. Mama, I'm right here, Mama. Even when she doesn't even not eating, like at church or whatever, she would lay on the ground and she might be asking for a kibble. Never mind. I don't know. Mom, I know in your purse you got food. Can I please, Mom? Aren't I cute, Mama? Aren't I cute, Mama? I'm so pretty, Mama. Please look at me, Mommy. I can hear her sad eyes, you know, like looking at me. You know what I mean? Like I can feel her.
Feel it.
I can feel her expression, like through her body language. Her, Mama, please.
And they're waiting.
Yes, like I completely like see her. You know, like I totally see. I see her. I mean, I don't feel like I don't see her. You know, I know her color. You know, when I first got her guide dogs in 2009, like I could see light back then. You know, the beginning of 2009, I could still see light. And you know, sometimes I could see some shadowing, so I could kind of see a light color if the lights were really bright. But so I don't know. I kind of feel like I've seen her before, but I haven't. I mean, I really haven't, but not well. I know she's light, so in my head I just know she's white. You know, she's so her golden ears, right? More golden.
Always more golden ears.
Yeah, and then her nose was pink. Is it?
It's still kind of pink tone.
Yeah, it was a pink nose. Yeah, which I've obviously never seen that, but I can imagine it. It's so cute. And her face has gotten whiter since she's gotten older. So.
No gray fur.
Well, it is gray on her face.
Not really at all.
Really?
No.
I think because she's so white,
yeah,
it just blends in.
I haven't seen any.
You don't really see it or notice it, I guess.
Some.
And then her back.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
Yeah.
But
And then what color is the top of her back?
more yellow.
Like a true yellow lab color.
Yes.
Like a
She's
golden.
still a lot more white. She's still a lot.
And then her belly.
Mine's always more white too.
More white.
And her ears have always been golden. And then around her muzzle is where it's always white too.
Well, she's got a skinnier face, but now it's a little full right
Full,
now.
mhm.
I said earlier she looks kind of more
Feels
like
like
Arabella.
Arabella.
Yeah, like a little bit of a chunkier kind of face. Yeah. She's always so regal. I remember when I got her, just
princess.
such a regal princess. Her posture, she's so, she was, just so lean and elegant. Regal. She's so refined and, like poised. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I think that's her personality too. Like she's so smart, intelligent, sweet and lovey at the same time. I mean, Arabella, of course, is sweet and intelligent and all that stuff too, but Arabella's so much more, I don't know, playful. Like, she's more puppy. I think maybe I've just forgotten that Toni used to be like that.
Yeah.
So Toni used to be more like that too. But that's just been so long ago. Toni was naughty when I first got her. At home, she would I remember having cinnamon rolls for breakfast, and Antonia, I was like, "What's that noise in the kitchen?" And that was Antonia. George goes in there, and Toni had her paws on the edge of the table. And what were you doing, Toni? You were walking around with your paws on the edge of the table, trying to pull off the girls' leftover cinnamon rolls on the table. And then you did that she put her paws on the kitchen, like on the edge of the counter too, trying to get food. And we nipped that in the bud really fast. We put you in timeout.
That happened while we were in Texas.
I know. That's where we were living in Texas when we got her.
Right.
No, she never did that.
I thought she
In
did
Portland.
It once. She did it once, I swear.
I don't remember that.
I remember she
But
did
in
it
Texas, and then we got onto her, and she learns fast. She doesn't ever want to disappoint her mommy. And then she always liked to get into the trash cans in the bathroom and try to find anything in there. And she grew out of that too. And then she got so amazing. She got so good that, if the girls ever left, a Pop-Tart or, waffle or something like that,
in her way.
at her level,
Where she could reach.
Whatever, coffee table or something, and the girls left the room, we could literally leave the house and she would not touch anything.
Yep.
And that was she was 3 years old. When we could do that, she just wouldn't touch anything. She was amazing. Still is amazing. So good. So amazing, Toni. Yeah, Toni. You have brightened our life. Okay. Go take good naps, okay? Sleep good tonight. Okay, baby girl. Sleep good. And then we will be back tomorrow to bring you home and get you in the truck and take you to the house and get you all comfy. We gotta get your bed all ready in the room. Okay. I love you. Oh, listen to her snore. You hear her?
Thank you so much for cleaning that.
I love her sounds. Because I can't have photos and I won't ever see her in the videos. But I love the sound. I can always hear that. Isn't it sweet? So relaxed now. I mean, this is the first time she's snored since we've been here, George. George, you hear her?
We pulled back her eye. No more. Well, you pulled back her eye. Her eyes kind of opened, but it's kind of supposed to be closed. There you go.
Okay. Night night, baby girl. I love you.